Okay guys, in this problem, you are the project manager on a job where the client is requesting that your company perform a wet weather capacity assessment of a group of sewers in their wastewater collection system. The budget is $10,000. Based on the area, you decide that two mid-level engineers, each with an hourly billable rate of $45 per hour and a billing multiplier of 2.5, should work on the task. How many hours will each engineer have to work on this task before they run out of budget, assuming they work the same amount of hours? So this question is actually very easy. We don't really care what kind of work the project is. All we need to know is what our total budget is and how many hours we have before we run out. So this question is very easy for us because we have two engineers, their hourly rate is the same, and their billing multiplier is the same, and they will be working the same amount of hours. So the first step we need to do is simply get the total amount of cost it will take two engineers to bill per hour, including their multiplier. So we have two engineers here, times $45 an hour, times a billing multiplier of 2.5, and this will get us a total of $225 per hour for the team to bill. After that, all we have to do is take the total amount of budget we have and divide that by $225 per hour. And the answer is going to be 44.4 hours, which is the second answer in our list here. So, we could have also solved for just one engineer per hour if we had wanted to, and then at the end divided the total available hours for that single engineer by 2 to account for the fact that there were two engineers. So the PE will sometimes ask you questions like that, and if you forget to account for things correctly, they'll also give you answers that could have been right. So if we'd solved for only one engineer instead of two, we would have had come out with 88 hours, which we can see was also an answer over here. So just something to keep track of when you're solving these problems is not to get too deep into the weeds on things that don't matter. So it could be, in this case, what type of project they were working on or getting mixed up in when you accounted for the number of engineers assigned. But if you can keep all of these things straight in your head, this is really obviously a very simple and very fast problem to solve.